After a getaway or a little holiday, are you the type of person who comes back home and relaxes, or are you the type that unpacks, does the laundry, tidies up? I am the person who immediately enters the house and I immediately begin putting things away and cleaning. So join me today as I do a quick tidy up after coming back for a getaway. So we had a quick getaway for a couple of days at the Lake District, and we just came back and I'm just immediately beginning with the laundry. So I've got my husband to put all the clothes in the washing machine, then I will tackle the other tasks. But I felt like we really needed to get it done because we've got a 2-year-old and a 6-month-old, so it just means I just like to have things in order, and I function better knowing that everything is reset and ready for me to begin my week. So this is just doing the laundry. So this is the baby carrier that we had, so I'm just gonna put this somewhere else. And these are just our hiking shoes. My hiking shoes. Put these back into the boot. I'm also gonna pack and make sure everything's out of all the bags, including all the toiletries, and I normally spray the suitcase or any bag that I take when I come back. I just like to spray disinfectant or Dettol spray, but I forgot to do this on this video. But yeah, so put away all the toiletries and put everything back where it stays. We'll also give the floors a quick mop throughout all the house. I just feel like all the dust and anything that I might have brought with me, I'm just going to quickly mop it away. The house is now clean. I'm just gonna do a quick restock of all the things that I needed to get ready for the week. So the dishwashing tablets and some toiletries around the house as well. I'm just ensuring everything is ready for me to tackle the week after our little break. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more cleaning motivation and how to clean videos. If that's the type of stuff that you're looking for, this is the channel for you. We shall be having rice for dinner, so I'm going to restock some of this. and that is it with the white vinegar. I'm actually surprised that this bottle has lasted quite long. I remember I purchased the big 5 litre, this big 5 litre vinegar in February, I think, the first week of February, and we're now in the first week of May, and this is how much is left. So I'm quite impressed with that. But yeah, 14th of February is when I began using it. This is now the second day, and I'm just putting away all the laundry that I did. So let me know in the comment section below if you are the type of person who immediately comes back home and starts unpacking, or you're the type of person to come back and relax and then tackle everything. I prefer doing it immediately as I come in. It allows me to relax after I've put everything back where it stays, and it allows me to be able to prepare for the upcoming week, because I know everything is where it belongs, and I can just go back into my routine that I previously had before I took the little break. So this is how I prefer to do things. But overall, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and you found it to be helpful and motivating. If you did, like I mentioned, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. All right, you have a lovely day. I will see you on the next one. Bye.